Birchafying this Barbie part 4 and the finale video.
Time to paint her nails. Juno is coming together. Toes are all did. What color should your lips be, honey? I'm gonna use this shade of lavender. I think this is perfect. What do you think? Yes! I'm mad. I'm so mad. They're so small. These glasses are so small. They'll work. They'll work, I guess. We'll see. I'm gonna paint these glasses black. Now to add her signature dots, her little reflections on her glasses. This is gonna be very difficult. Got one. I kind of screwed up the second one, but we'll fix it. There we go. They're small, but they should work. They fit. I think they're perfect. I'm gonna use them. They're a little bit small, but I love it. Now for your makeup, honey.
I feel like I'm painting Pinocchio.
Yeah, let's do it. Now for her hair. Now that her hair is combed and silky and missing, let's just do an updo. Like something like that. This is happening. Juno is coming together. Oh, almost there. Yes, darling. Juno is all done. Juno is all done. Juno is all done. Oh my gosh.
Now you should know, darling, I'm for sale.
I will have her listed on Mercari.